Sure.
Gentlemen, they say that a given cos 22,5 degrees is equaling to A over C, and A squared plus B squared is equaling to C squared. With the aid of a diagram or otherwise, show that 2AB over C squared is going to root 2 over 2 again. Now, if we're going to use the aid of a diagram, it is going to be drawn in the first quadrant because 22,5 is an angle less than 90 degrees. Again. And then the angle less than 90 degrees, it's in the first quadrant. Now they showed that they showed us that cos 22,5 is equaling to A over C, and then cos, you know that it's adjacent all over hypotenuse. So which means the x1 is going to be A, and the y1, the hypotenuse is going to be C, automatically making our y B, because they showed us or A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared.
So if we do this, if we tell them which is C squared, no? It's going to be equaling to A squared. We know this one.
Yes.
It's A all squared plus, let's call it Y for now.
Mm.
And then what is saying is using this argument here to say if we see C here, automatically it makes this one, which we can make the conclusion to say this Y here, it's supposed to be P, so that they are equal. I want this one now. This one and this one, they look alike. These two. Okay, sure. Hot.
So now, when I interpret the question correctly, see your name, they're telling us about 2ABC squared, because something kind of confusing. Then I try to separate the 2ABC squared. So if I separate this thing, it can be separated into 2 multiplied by A over C. Multiplied by A over C.
A all over C.
Multiplied by B over C.
B all over C.
Now from the diagram, I see your A over C, it's cos of 20. A over C, it's cos of 22,5. And then B over C, it's sine of 22,5 because it's opposite all over.
Let's tell them which we know what is cos. Ne?
Yes.
Cos it's A all over C, which is this
so
part.
This one is another cos.
So it's 2, it's cos, no?
Yes.
Which is cos of 22,5.
Now.
Okay. This is B all over C.
Yes.
It's opposite all over C,
yes.
Which is sine
22
sine of 22,5.
Now automatically you can see this thing is a double angle. So this thing is automatically equaling to sine of 2 into 22,5.
So this part here, it's 2.
Sine.
It's sine. Yeah?
Yes.
So this can be written as the sine of 2 multiplied by 22,5. Sure.
Now, automatically 2 times 22,5 is going to be sine of 45.
Okay. This is going to be equivalent to the sine 45 degrees.
Yes. So sine of 45 is equivalent to root 2 over 2.
Root 2 all over 2.
Now, this is equivalent to?
This is equivalent to?
Equal to that thing. Yes.
So we can write it this way just to show them how did we end up with the answer. We can tell them which we have the sine of 20. So we have 2, this part here, which is going to be the sine of 22,5 multiplied by the cos of 22,5, which is going to be equaling to this side. We have the sine of 45, and this is true. But if you say sine of 45, it's going to be written this way. Sine of 45 can be written this way. So you can show them that way, which, okay, here's what we know about sine. And then from there onwards, agree we are trying to show them. So since we are trying to show, you can tell them, which, okay, I know sine of 45 can be written this way. That's what we say. Sine of 45 can be written this way. And then we tell them which we have 2 here. And then we tell them which, what is this here? This one, it's B all over C. This one here, it's A all over what? All over C. And this one here, it's root 2 all over what? All over 2. And then you tell them, if I then work with this thing here, this multiplied by this, it gives me 2AB all over C squared, which is going to be root 2 all over 2. That's what we're trying to prove, basically. So, yes.
Differently. If you prove A all over C, root 2 all over